Thinking about trading with Mitrade, but not sure if it's the best choice for you? You're in the right place. Hi, I'm Eric from FXEmpire.com. With over 80 Forex brokers tested this year alone, we truly know what makes a top-notch broker. We've spent hours testing Mitrade to answer the key questions. Is Mitrade a reliable broker? Are their trading fees and spreads competitive? Do they offer a wide range of tradable instruments? We'll also take you on a live tour of their trading platform and point out all the unique features that you need to know. And finally, we'll give you our honest opinion, who Mitrade is best suited for and who might want to look elsewhere. Let's get started. Here is a quick snapshot of Mitrade. Founded in 2011, Mitrade operates globally and is regulated in Australia, Cyprus, the Cayman Islands, and Mauritius. They offer a proprietary trading platform, access to over 400 tradable instruments, and plenty of market research tools. But all these facts are things that you could easily find yourself. What really matters is how these features impact your trading experience. So let's go beyond the surface and dig into what this broker actually offers you as a trader. Let's dive in. A quick note, if you're interested in checking out Mitrade for yourself at any point during this video, you can click the link in the description below or in the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. But first, let's talk about the trading platforms offered by Mitrade. Finding the right platform can make all the difference in your trading experience. Mitrade has developed its own proprietary trading platform available on web, desktop, and mobile applications. We found the web platform to be incredibly user-friendly, making it great for both beginners and intermediate traders. It's designed to be intuitive, but still offers plenty of advanced features. Now, one distinctive element is its integration with robust TradingView charts, which many traders rely on for technical analysis. You'll also have access to 88 technical indicators, 74 drawing tools, 10 timeframes, and 9 different chart types, all of which make it a solid option for technical analysis traders. Now, another great feature is that the platform lets traders adjust their leverage for each trade, giving them more control over their market exposure. The mobile app didn't disappoint either. It's simple, easy to navigate, and lets you stay connected to the market wherever you are. One of the best features is the real-time newsfeed and expert trading analysis built directly into the app. This makes it easy to make quick decisions without switching between apps, and for beginners, it's a great way to learn on the go. However, despite its robust proprietary platform, one thing to note is that Mitrade doesn't offer third-party platforms like MT4 or MT5, which might be a drawback for some experienced traders used to those systems. But now let's take a quick tour of the broker's proprietary platform. Now here is Mitrade's proprietary web trading platform. And the first thing you'll notice is it's very clean looking, it's user-friendly and easy to access. And first of all, you have this market option here on the left-hand side, which opens up these charts. You can scroll through and it has all the different currency charts that are available to trade on with the broker. What I really love at the top here is that you can transfer between different asset classes, from foreign exchange to commodities, shares, indices, cryptos, and ETFs. So it's fantastic to have these all laid out so easy to view. Now, if you do want to see a chart in more detail, you've got a few different options. You can either click the right arrow here at the top right of the chart, and then you can actually use a lot of different indicators. These are all powered by TradingView, a very popular social trading platform, and there are drawing tools, tons of drawing tools in fact, right here on the left-hand side to utilize. You can also see on the right-hand side here, we have the trading ticket window, and there's some information here which is quite good as well. The trader sentiment indicator is really great. You can see how many of Mitrade's traders are actually long or short on an actual market. And you've got some more information down here at the bottom regarding the contract that you're trading. And there are multiple different order types that you can see, from market to pending, and also a trailing stop loss, which is a really unique feature as well. Not many brokerage platforms have a trailing stop loss feature that's automated. Since Mitrade's proprietary platform comes packed with an excellent range of useful trading features, it scored 4.4 out of 5 in the platforms and tools category. Now let's move on to the part every trader cares about: how competitive are the broker's trading fees? To find out, we tested Mitrade spreads on various instruments using its standard CFD account during peak trading hours in the London and New York sessions. So what did we find? Let's take a look at the numbers. The first, we found that the spreads on Forex pairs were quite competitive compared to the industry average. In fact, the spread on the euro dollar was around half the industry standard, making it a great choice for short-term traders like day traders and scalpers. The spreads on commodities and European stock indices were also much better than the industry average and suitable for most trading styles. On the downside, we did notice that the spreads on cryptocurrencies and US stock indices were higher than average, making them less suitable for short-term traders. Overall, Mitrade spreads are competitive, but it really depends on which asset class you're trading. We also found that the swap fees, the cost of holding a trade overnight, were low, which is perfect for longer-term strategies like swing trading and position trading. Furthermore, Mitrade doesn't charge any inactivity fees, and better yet, there are no fees for deposits or withdrawals. Mitrade's competitive trading fees earned it a solid 4.5 out of 5 in the fees category. Next up, let's talk about trust and safety. How well does Mitrade protect your funds? Let's take a closer look. Mitrade has been around since 2011, which gives it a solid track record of stability. Plus, all 4 of its global entities are regulated. 2 of these entities are licensed by Tier 1 regulators, including Cyprus's CySEC and Australia's ASIC. The other 2 are regulated by lower tier authorities, the Cayman Islands' CIMA and Mauritius's FSC. So, what does this mean for you as a trader? First of all 4 entities hold client funds in segregated accounts, which is really important. That means your money is kept separate from the company's funds, ensuring that it's always safe and available to you. Each entity also offers negative balance protection, so your account won't fall below 0 if the market moves against you. If you're trading through the CySEC regulated entity, you also benefit from a government-mandated compensation scheme, which protects your funds in the unlikely event the broker goes bankrupt. In addition, Mitrade follows a best execution policy, which legally requires them to give you the best possible price quotes under current market conditions. Based on all of these factors, we gave the broker a 4.1 out of 5 in the trust category. Finally, let's explore the range of markets you can trade with Mitrade. Mitrade offers over 400 CFD instruments for trading, including 59 Forex pairs, 13 commodities, 19 indices, 50 cryptocurrencies, 36 ETFs, and 226 share CFDs from the US, Europe, and Australia. The standout feature here is the number of cryptocurrencies available. With 50 major and minor cryptos, it far exceeds the industry average of 10 to 20. Overall, Mitrade offers a solid range of global markets that can support a variety of trading strategies. We gave it a strong score of 4.6 out of 5 in the tradable instruments category. In just a moment, we'll share our final verdict on Mitrade, but first, let me share a bit about us and why you can rely on our insights. Our team combines experienced analysts and pro traders. Over the last decade, we have reviewed countless Forex brokers, 80 just this year, and this gives us a deep understanding of the industry, so we know what truly defines a top broker. So the big question, is Mitrade the right broker for you? Let's quickly recap their pros and cons. Founded in 2011, Mitrade operates through 4 globally regulated entities. They offer access to over 400 markets covering a wide range of asset classes, including Forex, commodities, stock indices, ETFs, bonds, shares, and cryptocurrencies. Their proprietary web platform and mobile app, powered by TradingView, come with impressive technical analysis tools and built-in market research features. There are 2 trading account options, retail and professional, both of which are commission-free. Mitrade's fees are generally better than the industry average, especially on Forex, European stock indices, and commodities. Plus, there are no deposit or withdrawal fees. On the downside, the spreads for cryptos and the US stock indices are higher than the industry average. There are also no alternative trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 or 5, so you're limited to Mitrade's proprietary platforms. So with these pros and cons in mind, who is Mitrade best suited for? Mitrade is a solid choice for casual traders. The platform is sophisticated yet easy to learn, and their competitive fees on most instruments make it an attractive option. Plus, the comprehensive research content provides added value. Day traders and swing traders will also appreciate Mitrade's competitive fees, commission-free accounts, and low overnight swap fees. For technical analysis traders, Mitrade is a great fit. The platform integrates robust charting tools from TradingView, offering a wide range of technical indicators and drawing tools to support detailed analysis. However, we did find that Mitrade is not suitable for social, copy, or automated trading, as the broker doesn't offer platforms that support these types of trading. In our evaluation, we awarded Mitrade an overall score of 4.2 out of 5, marking its offering as above average. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or right here in the top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Oh, and share your thoughts. Comment down below with any questions about Mitrade, or you can suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.